Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a wise old man named Samir. Samir was known far and wide for his deep wisdom and the stories he shared with the villagers. His most cherished lesson was about the value of time. On sunny mornings, as the villagers gathered under the swelling oak tree to hear Samir's daily story, a curious young boy named Ethan asked Samir, "Can you tell us why time is so important?" Samir smiled and began his tale. Of course, young Ethan, time is the most precious gift we have, and its value is immeasurable. To illustrate this, I'll tell you the story of a humble watchmaker, Alexander. Alexander was a skilled watchmaker who lived in the village. He was renowned for his craftsmanship and meticulous attention to detail. People from far and wide came to him to repair their masterpieces, and he always had a long queue of customers. One day, a traveler passing through the village asked Alexander to repair his valuable antique pocket watch, which had been in his family for generations. The watch had stopped working, and the traveler was desperate to get it fixed. With a heavy heart, Alexander agreed to take on the task. The watch was intricate, with tiny gears and springs that were unlike anything Alexander had ever seen. Days turned into weeks, and still the watchmaker struggled to repair it. He spent countless hours tinkering with the delicate mechanisms, trying to restore it to its former glory. But the watch remained stubbornly lifeless. Months passed, months passed, and still the watch sat on Alexander's workbench. A testament to his failure, he had neglected his other customers, and his reputation was tarnished. He had lost time that could never be reclaimed, and the traveler had long given up hope. One day, Samil continued, a wise elder from the village approached Alexander. The elder asked, "Alexander, how much time have you spent trying to fix this watch?" Alexander sighed and replied, "I cannot say for sure, but it has consumed me for months." The wise elder nodded and said, "Time is our most precious resource. It's the one thing we can never get back. Instead of focusing on this one broken watch, you could have served many other customers and continue to build your reputation." Alexander realized the truth in the elder's words. He had squandered his time on a futile endeavor, neglecting the opportunities that had passed him by. With the newfound understanding of the value of time, he returned the broken watch to the traveler, apologized for the delay, and refused any payment. The traveler, impressed by Alexander's humility, offered to share a piece of his knowledge with the watchmaker. He showed him a simple trick to repair the watch, and in a matter of minutes, the intricate timepiece sprang to life. The villager, having heard Smil's story, learned a valuable lesson that day. Time, once lost, cannot be regained. They understood the importance of making the most of each moment, of cherishing the hours and minutes that passed before them. From that day forward, the villagers valued time above all else, realizing that it was their most precious possession. And Samil, the old storyteller, continued to inspire them with his tales of wisdom, knowing that the lesson he shared would ripple through time, touching the lives of many generations to come.